Welcome everyone to my channel. Today we are going to see how to access the locked memory card or password protected memory card or the memory card in which the files are hidden. We can access all of it all through our mobile phone itself. Before we get started, if you are new to this channel and still haven't subscribed to my channel, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel to get the latest video updates as soon as we update, and also hit the bell notification right next to it. Well, to access the locked memory card, all you have to do is open the web browser. It can be any browser. Just open the web browser and start typing as I'm typing it on the screen. Once if you have typed it, just click enter, and here all the files in your memory card will open. Here you can access all the memory card files stored in your memory card, and you can also browse through these files and open any files that is required to you. For example, I'm gonna open this file on here, and here we can see the subfolders inside this, and here there are all the details of the files which is available here. You can also click on the file which will open the file. Here I have opened the video, so it's playing the video from the phone. It's using a default media player on the phone itself. So by this way you can access all the different kinds of files which is hidden, locked in any kind of memory card. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give a thumbs up to this video, and I'll see you all in the next video.